I'd have to say when it comes to craziest role, it's probably the TV show that I'm a regular cast member on, the World of Weird Monster show. I'd have to say that's my craziest role because it's kind of like an SNL type of thing, so it's always different characters. So I would get the script and I would have to sit and think, okay, what kind of character do I have to create this week? So, I mean, I did all kinds of crazy roles from being a gypsy to, an Italian actress, just all kinds of different stuff. And I'm a really big fan of going behind the scenes, too, with acting. I love acting, but I love creating characters, and I love getting wardrobes together. I make a lot of my own costumes, if it's possible. I make a lot of my own stuff. I'm constantly buying stuff because I never know what I could possibly use things for. So I'd probably have to say working on there is one of my craziest roles.